Good morning, Namaskar, dear students, parents and teachers. This is Anandvan on NIBM Road and it's a 40 acres forest land and we have 8,000 trees and plants here and the students of Mansukh Bhai Kothari National School, they have been visiting this place, the forest area, and they have contributed in the growth of these trees and development of this Anandvan. They have been coming here as part of their curriculum, and because of lockdown, now they cannot come. A lot of things have happened during the lockdown also, and it is our effort to orient people about, to tell them what Anandvan is. Now we are celebrating World Environment Day, and our effort is to orient our students about the environment around us, their importance in our lives. And because of pandemic, all the more it has become important for our students to know this, to become aware and realize the importance of environment. So let us enter Anandvan. Come. So we have entered Anandvan. It's a beautiful place. I have shared with you where it is situated. And now we are inside Anandvan. You can see around me how beautiful the area is, full of greenery. And you still will not believe that it is in the center of the city. Can you imagine? When people are talking about the concrete jungles, we see here the green jungle is unbelievable, right? Yes. So today we are going to talk to the person and an expert who has brought about this change. He is a single man army here. Let me introduce to you our Kumar uncle.
Good morning, madam.
Kumar uncle has been instrumental, he is catalyst in making this area so green and so beautiful. कुमार अंकल, हम 2013-14 से 15 से शायद से हम लोग साथ में एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, और मैं ये जानती हूँ कि ये जो जगह है ये कंक्रीट जंगल के अंदर जैसे क्राउन के जैसे है। अब जबकि लॉकडाउन शुरू है, हम इसका जो इम्पोर्टेंस है हमें समझ में आ रही है, that how important it is to grow trees around us, and it's so important. We have realized. But I still remember in 2014-15 this land was barren. And it was a garbage land. It had become, people used to dump here rubble and garbage, and it used to be very filthy also. I still remember that site. So I would, and all of us would like to know, how did you start? What is your journey, the beginning of the journey? Please.
First of all, I welcome my Didi. मैं कहूँगा हमारी वर्षा कोकिल जी, और आपका स्वागत करूँगा आनंदवन में। मैं अपने बिटिया का भी स्वागत करूँगा। तो ये सब जो भी हो रहा है वो उसकी मर्जी से हो रहा है, और मैं 2013 में यहाँ पर देहरादून से आया 13 जुलाई को। तो 10-5 दिन के बाद हमको घूमने निकले यहाँ पे, मैं और मेरी वाइफ। तो हम उधर 9 मील पे गाड़ी रख के और घूम रहे थे। तो एक दिन मैंने ऐसे पीछे देखा, मैंने कहा पता नहीं कुछ छोटा सा है, लेकिन इसमें ढेर था, ऐसे बड़ा सा ढेर था, एंट्री पे बड़ा प्लास्टिक का था। वो प्लास्टिक का और मेरा 36 का आंकड़ा है। आई एम सॉरी टू से लेमन्स लैंग्वेज, क्योंकि वो प्लास्टिक जो है आज वो एक बहुत बड़ा किलर बन गया है पूरे वर्ल्ड में। हमारी धरती, हमारा पानी कंटामिनेशन हो रहा है, हमारे जीव जंतु, मछलियाँ आजकल प्लास्टिक खा रही हैं। वहाँ से शुरू किया आपने। तो कुमार अंकल, आपने देखा प्लास्टिक का ढेर। हाँ जी। और मैंने भी वो प्लास्टिक का ढेर देखा है। बहुत दुख होता था कि वहाँ पर रबल, प्लास्टिक और सारा तरीके का कचरा डलता था। लेकिन लेमैन कभी ये नहीं सोच सकता कि ही कैन मेक अ डिफरेंस। Yeah.
But how? It must have been very difficult for you. How did you start?
Very difficult means when I was walking with my wife in for an evening walk. So I remember some correspondent of the newspaper later on asked me. I didn't remember anything. He said, "Please tell me the date." I said, then I recollected and recollected. And I said 27 July. So 27 July I entered here at 5 p.m. and it was heaps and heaps. But I entered inside making a pathway. There was no passage. So when I entered, say, from this place to this place or 100 meters, we both husband and wife started vomiting.
Oh.
Because inside it was all, water, that dirty water and toiletries and all that, with medical waste, barber waste, eco waste. So we had to just go back since I stay nearby in Natasha Enclave. So we had a bath, we took medicine. But again at 6 p.m. I was back with my wife.
Okay.
But then we brought dabbas, buckets, whatever for watering. Because in a small movement, for 15-20 minutes, what I found, there were some small shrubs, but they were dried up.
Okay.
So I thought, because since I am a botany student in BSc, so I am attached with the environment from Dehradun, Hardwar and then Delhi. So I thought of, just reinventing that, reviving them also.
So this is how you started. But then today I see there is no garbage. There is no eco waste. There is no any kind of waste which is found here. It's so green, it's clean. So tell me, because I remember once you had mentioned how you managed to, truckloads of garbage was removed from here. Can you little share with us?
Why not? You know what happened? First challenge was plastic, as I told you. But there was another challenge in front of me, that I used to stand. This was a village total, and I used to stand when few people used to walk. Not many, only cyclists and some scooters. So I used to stand there and request them that we are making a small passage for your jogging. Please come inside. So, to join citizens along with green movement is still today also a very big task and very gigantic task is there, I can say. And secondly, I started making my volunteers. I used to select and request them. So today, whatever you are seeing is because of my Anandvan Mitra Mandal team, where we have 12 members, and they have connected a huge societies.
So we have seen how Kumar uncle saw the garbage, then he started requesting people, and he was aware about the environment around him. He was sensitive about it. I still remember in 2000, I think it was 15, 16, probably. I don't exactly remember. I used to take early morning and evening walks here. Today we see, it is developed one, it has got a gate and a wall, but that time it wasn't there. And when I was taking a walk, I saw one gentleman standing on a road and with folded hands requesting people to help. And I started wondering why this person is, asking unfamiliar people for favors. But I, being a science student and a teacher, I thought, let me give a try what the gentleman is trying to say. And I walked with him, and this world opened to me. It was Anandvan. What he was asking was, just come and give your 10 to 15 minutes in watering the plants. This is how he initiated the process. So, Kumar uncle, I still remember how, and when I came inside the Anandvan, there were so many people inside. I still remember some 10, 15 people were there. So, and I remember that there are students also who come to school.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
did you approach, and how did you find? Did it help?
It helped, but first I had to help myself and citizens of Pune, citizens of NIBM. In that, when I used to stand on the road, there used to be students also. After all, they are also human beings. So he said, "Uncle, क्या help चाहिए?" मैं क्या अंदर आओगे बेटा, मैं बताऊंगा. तो मैंने वो चीज स्टेप लिया और स्टूडेंट्स का ऐसा सिस्टम बना, ऐसा कॉर्पोरेट लेवल का सिस्टम बन गया कि आज हमारा आनंदवन 30% to 40% आप सबकी वजह से बना है, स्टूडेंट्स की वजह से. और उसी में मैं मेंशन करना चाहूँगा कि मैं उसके बाद सबसे पहला स्कूल में आपके कोठारी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में गया और वहाँ मेरी चीज़ को समझा गया और वहाँ से बहुत ही जल्दी उन्होंने कहा कि आपने कुमार अंकल, आप जब भी कहोगे मैं स्टूडेंट्स भेजूंगी. वो एक बहुत बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग मेजर था मेरे लिए, बिकॉज until and unless my moral is high, how can I take the long gigantic task? It was unbelievable task for me.
Yes.
And I came with the kachara, take out plastic. I never had the idea that I will make forest.
Okay. We'll also show you how beautiful it is around, and you will really enjoy the scene, the inside of Anandvan. Now, I remember when I came long ago, my first interaction with you and the Anandvan,
Yeah.
there were not so many trees. There were, very few trees were there.
Yeah.
But today I see there are mango trees also, there are some fruit trees also. And I see some trees which I feel that intentionally they are planted.
Yeah.
Can you just throw light on that?
Yeah. Didi, you have asked me a very, very scientific question. I am very happy with that, and thank you for this asking. This, what I am going to talk, people just don't know. And it is not our villagers, it is not our workers, but educated class only thinks that let us plant a tree and vanish. So first thing I did is I started asking for native plants.
Okay.
Now these native plants are, you can see, these people, neem and bargad, banyan tree.
Yes.
Here apte is a local tree
Yes.
and shisham is also a local tree.
Yes.
So we focused on that. And just after some time we started thinking of biodiversity and rainwater harvesting.
Okay. Yes.
So all things are going hand in gloves, because you have to develop an ecosystem like this. What people are thinking, और ये प्लांट लगा दें, अंकल लगाने नहीं दे रहे, अरे ऐसा नहीं है. अंकल साइंटिफिक मेथड से लगा रहे हैं, जैसे कि डेंस अर्बन फॉरेस्ट बनाना है.
Okay.
तो उसके लिए आपको हमारी बात समझनी पड़ेगी. ये हाथ जोड़ के हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया
Absolutely.
और सबको बड़ा अच्छा लगा.
Absolutely.
तो ये साइंटिफिक प्लांटेशन हुई with the consultation with I took training also in that.
Oh, okay.
Because for last 35 years from Dehradun, Hardwar, I have been nurturing in Delhi also. The plants which I had put up, and and then I'll come again on the birds. So they are about 300 to 500 feet. बड़े हैं वो आज भी.
Okay. Yes.
तो ये वहाँ से हमने, फिर भी still I took training
Okay.
from Theur. And I gave my training that to my ex-secretary, my secretary, who is just 28 years old.
Oh.
So we stayed there, for 2 days, and then I took my gardener also.
Okay.
Then we
That's
had to
really
keep
nice.
a gardener.
Okay.
So this has to be understood.
Yes. I would like to share with our audience that in the last 5 years, there has been major change in the kind of, I would say, the trees I'm seeing here and also the birds. Now today, we see variety of birds here. And has it happened on its own, or the intended efforts were taken? Let us ask Kumar uncle about it. What efforts has he taken? Were these conscious efforts, or it just happened that there were trees all around and birds just came? So I would like to know about the birds also.
First of all, in this, it is very important to talk about one product. That this was in Pune, with Forest of Pune. It always has been supporting us, so I want to thank them. But by chance, long back, a particular type of trees were planted here. We call it Gliricidia.
Oh yes, I remember you mentioning that.
So
yes.
that was a undimar.
Okay.
So with that was very important some time back, because this soil, this needed, the nitrogen binding.
Okay.
So that helps in binding of the soil to the mother earth.
Okay, this Gliricidia plant.
Gliricidia, that was important, but
Okay.
at 30-40 years back.
Okay, that time.
Now they are not needed. Reason is that now we have to cultivate our bird fauna and fauna.
Yes,
Why?
and the native plants also.
Native plants also.
Yes.
Native plants is must. We don't talk about anything else. But for this bird culture, I started a new thing in the forest of Maharashtra and India. I brought bajra,
Okay.
and I because this area was in a very bad shape. I could not do anywhere. But whatever plants I broaden up their pit,
Okay.
and in that only little portion I sowed bajra.
Okay.
So that bajra came out here, and that was a great beginning.
Okay. So this is how the birds were attracted.
Birds were attracted.
Oh, that's beautiful concept and something new to listen to also. Yes. So we have been talking about the Anandvan jungle and the tree plantation. And most of us at some point in our life must have planted some tree. I would really like to ask one question and answer it very honestly. After you planted that tree, did you really take care of that tree? And how many months, how many days, and how many years did you take care? You have to answer this honestly. Let us talk to Kumar uncle about this tree plantation process, which is quite glamorous to talk about. But what is the science behind it? And let us take his expert opinion about it. Kumar uncle, please talk about tree plantation and what is expected.
Varsha, madam, tree plantation is a welcome step, but our citizens are ignorant about that, how from this 2 feet, how it has crossed, I think 20 feet or 25 feet. You can see that.
Yes.
So we need citizens to give water tanker, and then we need citizens to make it this pit round.
Yes.
This pit has a very important role,
Okay.
because in this, the moment we do water, we don't leave like that. Then this grass,
Okay.
what you can see, I want to tell you about this also. Here there was no such grass. Today you can see this green like garden grass. Nothing was there. It was long grass with all kante on this side.
Okay.
And we used to be thrashed, this.
Oh, okay.
And once it so happened, a doctor came and he took all of us to his clinic. He said, "Uncle, tetanus to lagwao."
Oh.
So हमारे पूरी इसमें खून होता था,
Oh.
एंड हम इसमें घुस के लगाते थे.
अच्छा.
तो ये अब बायोडाइवर्सिटी की वजह से आया है.
अच्छा.
और रिसेंट रिपोर्ट ये है कि महाराष्ट्र में और पूना में, दिस इज योर आनंदवन इज वन ऑफ द रेयरेस्ट प्लेस ये गवर्नमेंट ने बोला है, वेयर बायोडाइवर्सिटी की वजह से ये 5 फीट से 25 फीट आ गया है।
ओके।
तो ये हम इसमें डालते हैं
अच्छा।
पानी डालने के ऊपर
ओके।
और इसको कवर कर देते हैं। दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड मल्चिंग।
Yes, it is mulch.
So I have got around 1051 jobs to make this plant big.
Okay.
And what happens is the plant scientific logic is that on top it gives oxygen. But another job he is doing is trying to absorb the water inside the mother earth. And as it grows, the mother earth holding capacity of water, groundwater table goes up.
Yes.
With the result that half of Pune is being fed by water tankers. So in that boring, we are contributing almost 5 to 10% to whole of Pune.
That's really nice. It's amazing to know this aspect of forestation and tree plantation also. That's really amazing thing to know. I think this will really help our students to understand that planting a tree is not important. What is important is to ensure that it grows.
Nurturing for 3 years. And if you ask me as your younger brother, I need 5 years
Yes.
for citizens.
So audience, what is more important? After you plant the tree, you have to first select it very consciously and intelligently. After that, you have to ensure that you take care of that tree for next 3 years. I had an opportunity to interact one of the social worker recently, and he said after the plantation drive is over, those are eaten up by the sheep and the cows which who graze. So what is important is to nurture them. As Kumar uncle has rightly pointed out, we have to nurture them, take care as their babies. We all remember that the previous lockdown we started on 23rd of March 2020. We were all caught unaware. Nobody was ready to face this lockdown. We all have faced challenges on personal front and professional front. But did anybody think and talk about the social front? What challenges were there? It was Kumar uncle who was facing a major problem in the month of April and May, because the lockdown started in March and then was severe summer in April and May. I would like to remind all of you that this is not cultivated forest. This is natural forest, and trees were on their own, which were taken care of by the team of Kumar uncle. And people like Kumar uncle here, they used to water the plants wherever they did not get water, and plants used to dry up in summers. So one fine morning, I see my WhatsApp, and Kumar uncle had messaged me saying that save my trees, ma'am. And I was touched by his message. Then I spoke to him, and then I appealed the teachers from Mansukh Bhai Kothari National School. I also appealed on my Facebook page to donate water. And I still remember during that strict lockdown when nobody was allowed outside, early morning I used to request the tanker person to come here, and we used to unload water here in water reservoir. Mainly made by his team, and beautifully scientifically it is being made. The water is unloaded here, and from there it is supplied to all the plants. Uncle, will you please talk about that, because that was the first time last lockdown I saw the water is being stored on the top, and the major this is the, I think, highest point in Anandvan.
Like this, you know, this water tank, I will take you in the last there. Say about 7 we have to make now. We had made, and one recently about 60,000 liter bigger pond has been created by students and by God.
Oh yeah.
And not only that, we have done, our students have done on the boundary of that bunding with these stones, you know.
Okay.
This bunding is stopping that soil to come out. Otherwise,
Yes.
rainwater, it is over.
Yes.
So you can see this, a big job is being done by this.
Yes. Yes.
So like this, you know, we have to work. But I have a request to all citizens, not Pune, but citizens of India. I will tell you why India I am asking. That if a child is born, he also requires oxygen. So you can contribute wherever you want. You can contribute 1 rupee a day for 365 days. But little children's schools, you can donate 10 rupees a day for 365 days. The grown-up students can donate 20 rupees. And even per 4 members of the family, like this, each member should give once only, any time in a year, one payment of this. And our registered account is there. Didi has been given that. And that is registered at Charity Commissioner with the Pune PMC, with the Collector Office. They are all aware. We have to inform all authorities, Didi, that what we are doing, how we are doing. And your school name has prominently been figured with Mr. Javadekar, who was Environment Minister, then he became HRD Minister also. And a special certificate was issued to Mansukh Bhai Kothari School by his on his personal letterhead. So this water cultivation is very important because it's a hilltop. Lot of efforts we have done. Now we talk about rainwater harvesting. We have done, you know, rainwater harvesting. When the water flows down, we just make, you know, with the JCB machine. So for that we need funds because that is an outside thing. We have to take permission from forest, only then we can do. So we are doing many things, but if you all come in large numbers, like 1 crore to 5 crore citizens and students, I can assure you we can make disease-free Pune and disease-free India. That is what is my target.
That's really a beautiful thought. Now we are at the highest point of Anandvan. Okay, it has got a small hillock here, and very thoughtfully it is being made part of this Anandvan, and it is contributing. Let's see what is the contribution of this highest point of Anandvan. कुमार अंकल, हम देख रहे हैं कि ये वही पॉइंट है जहाँ पर हम टैंकर अनलोड करते थे।
बिल्कुल।
और थोड़ा सा आप इसके बारे में बताएं हमें।
देखिए, ये आनंदवन मित्र मंडल हमारा जो है, ये अभी 12 लोग हैं, लेकिन हम उसमें 5-7 लाख लोग जोड़ चुके हैं। उसमें से आप भी हैं, आपका स्कूल है, मेरी बिटिया है, इसका परिवार है। तो इसमें हम बहुत सारे लोग जोड़ना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि हमने कहीं सीमेंट का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया। आप देख रहे हैं, आप सॉइल पे खड़े हैं, पैर रखने से पैर दब रहा है। लेकिन ये ज़रूरी है, अगर हमें इको साइकिल बनाना है। ये जो इको सेंसिटिविटी बोलते हैं, बायोडाइवर्सिटी बोलते हैं, इको पार्क बोलते हैं, उनमें भी हम देख रहे हैं बहुत ज़्यादा सीमेंट का ट्रैक यूज़ किया गया है। हमने बहुत ध्यान रखा है, उसी का एक ये नतीजा है। इसमें बर्ड्स, पीकॉक्स, ये सब आके पानी पीते हैं। आपको एक बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा, इसमें स्नेक भी आके पानी पीते हैं। तो यू कैन जस्ट इमेजिन दैट दे आर आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज पीकॉक का ये रिप्रोडक्शन का हब है, और जब भी उनको मूड आता है, साल में 5 बेबी पीकॉक देते हैं। अभी 10 हैं हमारे पास, लेकिन हमको विजिबल नहीं होंगे। मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा, कल का है वो, आप दिखाइए बच्चों को। तो ये क्या है इसमें एक सबसे बड़ी चीज़ मेरा और है। देखिए, मैं एंशिएंट टाइम में जाऊंगा, आधा सेकंड और लूंगा दीदी आपका, कि हमारे गांव में, शहरों में तालाब होते थे। वो तालाब क्यों होते थे, वो आज के लोगों को नहीं मालूम है। वो इसलिए होते थे कि उसमें फ्रॉग आते थे, और फ्रॉग जो है कल्टीवेशन सिर्फ पानी में रहता है और नीचे चला जाता है। वो फ्रॉग जितने भी फालतू के वायरस, बैक्टीरिया हैं, वो खाते हैं, वो उनका फूड है। अब जब तालाब बनने बंद हो गए, इंफ्रा ज़्यादा बढ़ गया और लोग फैंसी हो गए लाइफस्टाइल में, तो वो फ्रॉग को खाने वाला नहीं है, मच्छर हमारे घर में घुस रहे हैं।
सही नहीं।
तो इसमें 1 किलो से आधा किलो से 10-10 किलो तक 10-10 किलो तक बड़े फ्रॉग है मेरे पास।
इसमें?
हाँ जी,
ओह माय गॉड,
सब में है।
अमेजिंग।
हाँ। और स्नेक और इसका लुका छुपी का खेल चलता रहता है।
ओके।
तो वो अभी थोड़ी देर बाद जब हम आते हैं तो वो फ्रॉग ऐसे चल रहे होते हैं पूरे दिन में, रात तक चलते हैं और टर टर टर। तो वो हमारे को सुरक्षित रख रहा है, ये हमको नहीं मालूम है।
सही बात।
हम सिर्फ ऊपरी बातें करते हैं, सुपरफिशियल प्लांट, ये डीप में कौन जाएगा। इसलिए मैं बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि आप सब इसमें आके और पूछिए, मेरे से सवाल पूछिए, क्वेश्चन आंसर पूछिए।
सही बात है।
धन्यवाद।
ये एक बहुत अच्छी बात हमें अभी पता चली है कि फ्रॉग्स का जो मेंढक है उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या है हमारी हेल्थ में। ये काफ़ी नई बात उभर के आई है। हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे जो बच्चे हैं ये बात समझे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चे हमारी नेचर की तरफ मुड़े और कंजर्व करें, प्रिजर्व करें, प्रोटेक्ट करें। एक बार हम अपील भी कर चुके हैं पेरेंट्स को, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता उससे रिस्पॉन्स आया।
नहीं
तो अगर जितना रिस्पॉन्स आ जाए,
हाँ।
जितना आ जाए, जितने